Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about our signature plate upgrade kit and why you need it. Let's go. Okay, so what's the problem? Signature plates, especially older ones, the screws behind, they're not stainless, so they rust. You can also see them from the side, so rusty bolts and the silver. So the solution, use our upgrade kit, replace them with stainless bolts, and it also becomes black, so you can't see it from the sides. I'll show you how to fit them on the plate. Okay, onto installing. So we've got our bolts. To replace them, you need to do it one by one. The reason why is because if you take them all out, the picture frame disassembles and it's going to be a mess. So one at a time, and I'll show you. Okay, upgrade done. So we've got rid of our old manky rusty screws, replaced it with our low profile stainless screws. Not gonna rust, you're not gonna see it anymore. So hope that helps.